Here we've got a demo board that we've set up with an audio server and 6 stereo extensions, all wired up using Loxone Tree Turbo in less than 15 minutes. That's the physical setup. Now let's have a look at what to do in Loxone Config. Once the audio server has connected to the network via the LAN port, you can search for the device within Loxone Config. Then enter the name of the device and set the time zone. Once you've added the audio server and saved in, you can now search for the stereo extensions and add these to the project. At this stage, you can also assign the correct rooms to the extensions. In the preferences here, you'll be able to select the suitable properties based on the speakers that you're using. Now you will see that when I drag and drop a stereo output, a new audio player function block will appear on the page. And in this case, I'm dragging 2 onto the page because I've got 4 speakers in the living room. Sometimes it's necessary to group 2 or more audio player function blocks, such as the open plan example from Thomas. So to do this, I simply add the audio player group fixed function block and select the relevant audio players. A stereo extension can be split into 2 downmixed mono outputs. And just like that, the stereo signal will now be downmixed by the software. And last but not least, you can easily identify which speaker is connected to the output by right-clicking and selecting Audible Identification.